see. Whoa! Cliche slash cash up jam. Anahi, Wibke, and Linda Grabner shredding for 15 minutes. Hop on that rail, double pepper. Oh, keeping it going. Oh yeah. We're gonna be 3 events of the female class. Let's see. Yeah, be good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Linda Grabner. Oh, there's a driver handing out some cash. Felix's wallet is still loaded. Come on, Lindy! Yeah! Very good, Frank. Oh! Watch it, watch it! Yo! What do you guys think? Yeah! That was lead! Anahi gets back. She has unfinished business, it seems. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Last 2 minutes, the last 2. Whoa! People! Even the exit. Check, Wibke's coming. And we have Linda taking the last 50. Hey, come on! We have Max Hammer Nails! Put your hands together for 3 awesome women! Linda Grabner, Vogel, Anahi, Valentina, Cliche Crew! Tattoos on your skin. Whatever you do, keep your hammer and nails. We'll see you.